Hi, I'm Prajakta Kulkarni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to share the highlights of Budget 2021. Budget 2021, first digital budget in the history of India. What gets cheaper? स्वस्त काय काय झाले ते बघूयात. क्या क्या सस्ता हुआ है? Let us see. Toothpaste, soap, milk, travel bags, sanitary napkins, paper, wool, detergent, bamboo furniture, steel, iron. What remains the same? The tax slab rates remain as it is. टैक्स स्लैब मध्ये काहीच बदल झालेला नाही. टैक्स स्लैब जैसा था वैसा ही है. Reduced compliance burden. Senior citizens above 75 years of age who get only pension and interest income are not required to file ITR, income tax return. 75 वर्षापेक्षा जास्त ज्यांचं वय आहे आणि फक्त पेन्शन आणि इंटरेस्ट इन्कम असेल तर इथून पुढे ITR म्हणजेच इन्कम टॅक्स रिटर्न भरण्याची गरज नाही. रिडक्शन इन टाइम फॉर इन्कम टॅक्स प्रोसीडिंग्स. Reopening of assessment period reduced from 6 years to 3 years except in cases of serious tax evasion cases. What will be expensive? महागणार काय काय आहे? Petrol and diesel, mobile and charger, vehicles, cashew nut, stationery, leather, footwear, copper, medical equipment, furniture, fan, CCTV camera, chini mitti items, air conditioner, alcohol for human consumption, cigarette and tobacco products. What has changed? Vehicle scrapping policy. Vehicle fitness after 20 years in case of personal vehicles and 15 years in case of commercial vehicles. 20 वर्षे खासगी वाहनांसाठी, 15 वर्षे व्यावसायिक वाहनांसाठी. Definition of small companies as per Companies Act 2013. To be revised by raising capital base to 2 crore rupees from current limit of 50 lakhs. The companies whose turnover is less than rupees 2 crores will be termed as small companies under Companies Act 2013. Petrol and diesel. Agri cess will be imposed on petrol and diesel prices. Cess will be levied as follows. Petrol rupees 2.5 per litre. Diesel rupees 4 per litre. Agriculture, Infrastructure and Development Cess. Agriculture, Infrastructure and Development Cess proposed on certain items including urea, apples, crude soybean and sunflower oil, crude palm oil, Kabuli chana and green peas. Gold and silver. Basic custom duty BCD reduced on gold and silver. सोने व चांदीवरील बेसिक कस्टम ड्यूटी कमी झाली. Custom duty on cotton raised from 0 to 10%. All nylon products charged with 5% custom duty. Duty on solar inverters raised from 5% to 20% and on solar lanterns from 5% to 15%. Tax audit threshold increased from 5 crores to 10 crore. The first time home buyers can claim deduction under Section 80 EEA. This deduction is extended up to 31st March 2022. Interest on employee contribution to PF Provident Fund above rupees 2.5 lakhs a year is now taxable. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.